here, and of course my very best friend, Bishop Charles Muturi, and the entire diocese. Aduambu shie. Gaine mwega. Na hede shiode. It is so good to be here once again. I think the development chair was very, very quick in what he said. But let me tell you, Your Excellency, this is the vision of one man, and he is seated right in front of you over there. Your bishop and my bishop. He got up one day and said, enough is enough. The church that was here, which began, Your Excellency, as a small little hut in 1917, became a mud church 20 years later, 1933, Kanitha wa Doro. And a church in 1977 that was on these premises until last year, when, as you heard the bishop say, he broke it down and condemned it. The cathedral is the vision of one man, and his faith in God. Please give him a great clap. I like it when we talk about money. Unajua, that is my pet subject. Mambo ya pesa. I was here in November. Na hiyo harambee ilikuwa yangu. And we had some good weshmiwa here, even led by the governor at that time. And at that time we had a target, Your Excellency, of 18 million shillings to raise on that day last November. Was it 50? Sorry. 50 million shillings. And we raised 70 million shillings. Simutupigia makofi hata sisi. Aya. But I remember very clearly that the target of cost was 180 million. Today here, I have found out from the contractor, from the development chair, that we are talking about 220, 250. In 1 year, inflation has gone up here on the cost by 30-35%. And Rais, I must be sincere. That is a problem we're all facing. In fact, when I was last year, watu walikuwa na roho zaidi kushinda leo. Rais amekuja hapa, kwa nini hamuna ile roho ya ndani? And you'll find shida ya hawa watu wote ni ground, ni kubaya. Hela imekosekana. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Ni kweli ama si kweli? Unajua rais ako hapa. Ni vizuri rais ashike roho yenu, ajue hali zenu, si ndio? Haya. The problem we are having ni kwa ground, hakuna hela. And I'm hoping that the target we are anticipating for November, as the bishop mentioned, is a target that is going to be attainable from the good people of Kiambu South Diocese. But I further want to extend an invitation, Your Excellency, kwa sababu hii sasa imekuwa mzigo kubwa sana. Na Kiambu, as you know, kweli ama si kweli? Si mulimpatia kura? Mujipigie makofi hata nyinyi. Mulimpatia kura ya kutosha. Zaidi na zaidi. Na kwa ajili ya hiyo na mengi, because we want people to be part of the church of God. We don't want them drinking. Let your escape be church and God, not Kombe. We ask you, Rais, my good friend, if you could come and grace us with your presence in November at Harambee. We hope will clear all records that we've ever seen in this nation. As you heard my chairman say, nothing is holding you back. We are glad you've always been here. We want you again and again. Lakini ujue ya kwamba ile ambao inasumbua wananchi hapa Kiambu ni hela. Hao watu wengi, they don't tell you, and I must tell you. Many of them are sleeping with pangas outside on the bottom of their beds. Not because they are worried about thugs coming for the TV. TV haina market. It's because they know thieves are coming for food. Kweli ama si kweli? Si wanatafuta kweli chakula? I have been talking to a few more, Mheshimiwa. We have some challenges in this country, and they are serious challenges. And in as much as we can talk, as we talk, the biggest contribution of our taxes inaenda kwa madeni. Na kwa madeni, tafadhali Rais, that is where we need to focus. Deni ambao inatukumba. On the basis of that, we must also operate on hope. This church is being built on hope and the faith of God. And we are certain that with the spirit of people here, we are certain that we shall achieve our targets. God bless you all. God bless the people of this diocese. God bless you, Your Excellency. Asante sana.
A better hard clap. Thank you very much. And now it is my honor's duty to welcome the Honorable Governor.